Alright, about to do some cast iron cooking with the Lodge cast iron Dutch oven. This is a 2.3 liter Dutch oven. Handles on both sides. That can just be used as a skillet. Lodge has been around for over 100 years. Out of Tennessee, East Pittsburgh, Tennessee. And I love this piece of cookware. And we're not going to be doing it in an oven. We're going to be doing it on fire. So I just got to wait for this to burn down a little bit. It'd be way too hot to put on top of there or in there. You'll see. So meantime, while we wait for the fire to burn down, I'm going to show you what I'm cooking in here. It's a chicken. You'll be really careful. These pans are heavy and they will scratch your kitchen counter. But yeah, there's a chicken under all that. Yeah, you see the mushrooms. I got some potatoes in there, celery, onions, garlic. I tucked some garlic underneath the breast skin, and black pepper, and I got some chicken broth sitting on the bottom as well. Now we just gotta wait for the fire. This is such a good. I love making this stuff. All right, waiting for the fire. Because the skies look like they're about to open up, I'm gonna put this out here a little earlier than I normally would. So just set it there. And so it cooks evenly. Put a little bit of coals up there. What I'm going to have to do, because it's hotter on one side of the pit than the other, I'm going to have to rotate that pan around occasionally, and otherwise I'm going to have a half burnt, half raw chicken in there. You have to rotate this thing. It's been about 15 minutes. And I'll also rotate the lid. Now, is this the wrong way to use a Dutch oven out in the fire? No, it's just not the best way. Best thing to do is build a little stand independent from a fire, and then you add coals underneath it and on top of it. But since I got a fire pit, I figured I'd just use this. chicken is almost done, and this is the point in time, for a long time, it's been a long time since I've done this, have a craft beer. Fresh Haze IPA. Cheers. Good. Now let's see if that chicken's done. Let's sweep off the charcoals, the wood, ashes, whatever you want to call it. Get a temperature reading. Target temperature 165. I'd say it's done. I know it's done. It's done. Looking good. Looking real good. Sweet dog. Let's get a bite. That garlic really is coming through, and the flavors married with those vegetables is amazing. Now I'm going to have some more in the house, finish that beer. So thanks for watching. I'm Paulie Edwards. Till next time.